Hey fellow cat parents, does the dread of daily litter scooping put a damper on your morning coffee? In this video, I'll show you the 7 best self-cleaning litter boxes, each one designed to save you time, keep your home fresh, and give your kitty a more comfortable experience. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. HHOLOVE. Imagine never scooping again. The HHOLOVE automatically sifts clumps into a sealed 60-liter drum after each use, so you only need to empty it once a week, or less. That means more time playing with your cat, and less time wrestling with a scoop. Safety is built in with a 100% anti-pinch mechanism and a low, wide entrance that welcomes kittens through 18-pound adults without any scary surprises. The stepped mat catches stray granules under paws, so your floors stay neat. Want real-time updates? The HHOLOVE app pings you when the waste drawer is full, reminds you to replace liners, and even tracks your cat's weight via an internal gravity sensor, perfect for monitoring health over time. Plus, 2 included deodorizers and a ClearTech odor neutralizing system break down smells at the source. Durable, sleek, and whisper quiet, this 2025 upgrade combines capacity, connectivity, and safety into one hassle-free package. Ready to ditch the scoop forever? Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. PETPIVOT. Love the idea of no cover, but hate the mess? PETPIVOT's open-top design gives your cat free rein, 22 pounds, and boosts airflow to reduce odors naturally. You get easy access for your kitty and 0 awkward crouching. Infrared and Hall effect sensors instantly halt the cleaning cycle if your cat is detected inside. No sudden rotations, no trapped paws. A generous 10-liter waste container holds up to 10 days worth of clumps for a single cat, and its pull and wrap odor sealing system tucks away smells before you even lift the tab. There's no Wi-Fi or smartphone app to fuss with, just straightforward, tool-free disassembly for quick cleaning. And at under 32 decibels, it's whisper quiet enough for bedrooms or shared living areas, so you and your cat can rest undisturbed. If you want a no-frills, low-maintenance solution that still feels high-end, PETPIVOT delivers exactly that. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. CATCOOL. CATCOOL pairs peace of mind with deep tech. 10 safety radars detect your cat's approach and immediately stop drum rotation, eliminating any risk of pinching. Perfect for homes with kittens, seniors, or anxious felines. The dedicated CATCOOL app tracks usage frequency, duration, and even alerts you if your cat skips visits. Ideal for spotting early health issues. You can remotely trigger a cleaning cycle or deodorize with a tap, making hands-off maintenance truly hands-off. A built-in staircase accommodates elderly or short-legged cats and doubles as a litter trap, so every stray granule stays put. Inside, a semi-enclosed drum employs an advanced odor elimination and fragrance system, plus a built-in fan to actively expel odor molecules, delivering up to 5 times better smell control than a standard box. With a hefty 100-liter drum and up to 14 days of waste capacity for one cat, CATCOOL is travel-ready and multi-cat approved. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. CUMRIGE. CUMRIGE prioritizes your cat's safety with advanced presence sensors that pause cleaning the second whiskers are detected. No unexpected movements, no startled escapes, just smooth, predictable cycles. Its 95-liter drum and 15-liter waste bin run up to 15 days on a single cat before needing an empty, and it works with any clumping litter you prefer. Built-in deodorizing channels trap odors inside the bin, keeping your home smelling fresh. At whisper quiet levels, it won't interrupt late-night bathroom breaks or early morning work calls. Cleanup is effortless. The sealed drawer prevents leaks, and snap-apart parts make deep cleaning a 5-minute task. Control and monitor everything via the Tuya Smart app. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Get full bin alerts, receive cycle notifications, and even view simple health tracking data. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. ZEACOTIO. ZEACOTIO's barrier-free, oversized entrance accommodates cats from 3.3 to 27.5 pounds. Making it perfect for large breeds or multi-cat households. The open layout helps shy or elderly cats feel instantly at ease. Advanced safety sensors immediately pause the cleaning cycle if any movement is detected, then seamlessly resume once your cat is gone. No apps? No problem. The intuitive control panel handles on-unit scheduling. Prefer remote management? Pair it with ZEACOTIO's Smart app to get fill-level alerts, monitor usage logs, and adjust cleaning intervals from your phone. First-time assembly is a snap, literally, with a tool-free snap-on design, and removable liners plus filters simplify daily upkeep. If you want a roomy, sensor-safe, and optionally connected litter solution, ZEACOTIO hits the sweet spot. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. COZILEY. COZILEY's dual safety system uses 4 infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors to detect feline presence and halt the drum instantly. Zero risk of trapping. Combined with an extra-wide 30 cm entrance, it offers maximum peace of mind. Odor is neutralized through triple-layer protection. A seal strip prevents leaks, a 3-layer waterproof tray resists sticking, and a silicone gasket waste bin locks in smells completely. You'll never catch a whiff of old litter again. The G1 connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to the COZILEY app for real-time notifications, usage monitoring, and even a dedicated kitten mode that gently handles young cats. An 18-liter waste compartment holds up to 2 weeks of clumps for one cat, ideal for short trips or busy weeks. Installation and maintenance are a breeze. Detachable, dishwasher-safe parts make deep cleans effortless, while the robust ABS housing promises years of reliable service. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. FUMOI. The FUMOI is one of the best models, thanks to its ultra-responsive infrared motion sensors that pause cleaning the moment your cat steps in, even if you're miles away. Safety first, always. Featuring a 95-liter drum and a 15-liter sealed waste drawer, it easily handles multiple cats for days. The reinforced leak-proof edges and washable reusable liner eliminate spills and reduce long-term costs. Control everything through the FUMOI app over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Schedule auto-cleaning cycles, track litter usage trends, and get instant bin-full alerts. Low-noise night mode, under 35 dB, ensures zero disruptions for light sleepers or nocturnal pets. Compatible with clumping and silica-based litters, and recommended for cats over 2.6 pounds, the FUMOI blends capacity, safety, and smart convenience into one sleek package. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best self-cleaning litter boxes you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.